This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade jelly. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of prepared fruit, 7 cups of sugar, 1 box of powdered pectin, and 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Make sure your canning jars and lids are sterilized and warm, ready for filling. Selecting perfectly ripe, flavorful fruit is key to achieving a truly wonderful jelly. Now let's prepare our fruit. Wash and crush your fruit, or extract its juice, depending on your recipe. For example, you might need 4 cups of crushed berries or 4 cups of fruit juice. Next, combine the prepared fruit or juice with 1 box of powdered pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Stir well to dissolve the pectin, then bring this mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat. Once your fruit and pectin mixture is at a rolling boil, it's time to add the sugar. Carefully pour in 7 cups of granulated sugar all at once. Stir constantly and vigorously to ensure the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar is fully incorporated, bring the mixture back to a hard, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Maintain this boil for precisely 1 minute. After boiling for 1 minute, remove the jelly from the heat. Quickly skim off any foam that has formed on the surface. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your warm, sterilized jars, leaving exactly 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean, apply lids, and screw on the bands finger tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.